Are you tired of struggling to find healthy and delicious meal ideas that are quick to make? In this video we got you covered with 3 easy and delicious recipes that will fulfill your expectations for satisfying and nutritious meal. Say goodbye to the meal planning struggle and join us as we dive right into these fantastic recipes. For our first meal is classic tuna salad, which is perfect for a quick and easy lunch. You will need the next ingredients: 2 cans of tuna, 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 slice of whole wheat bread, 1 handful of fresh arugula, and salt and pepper to taste. Start with chopping the onion very finely and chopping the arugula coarsely. Then drain the can of tuna and put it in a bowl and add mayonnaise, lemon, onion, and mix. Put the arugula on a plate, add a little salt and pepper, then place tuna from the container on top of the arugula. Serve with whole wheat bread and your meal is ready. Next great meal that we have for you is spinach and mushroom frittata. Frittata is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even dinner. To prepare this dish you will need 150 to 200 grams of chanterelle mushrooms, 1 large handful of fresh spinach, 5 eggs, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half tablespoon of butter, and pepper and salt to taste. First, cut the mushrooms into leaves, roughly chop the spinach, and kill the eggs by putting them in a bowl, add salt and pepper and mix. Then in a large pan, heat the olive oil in a medium temperature, add the sliced mushrooms, increase the temperature and bake for approximately 4 to 5 minutes until the mushrooms are toast. Then add the chopped spinach and butter and fry at low temperature for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the eggs and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are fried. Place the dish on a plate and serve. Next on our list is apple crumble. This homemade apple crumble is a delightful dessert that combines the sweetness and tartness of the apples with the crunchy and buttery crumble topping. It's perfect for cozy evenings or gatherings with friends and family. For this recipe, you will need 4 to 5 apples grated, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 50 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of butter for lining the pan, vanilla ice cream, and for crumble, you need 230 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of butter cut into cubes and cooled, and 150 grams of brown sugar. To start, heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next, put the grated apples in a bowl, sprinkle with sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, cinnamon, lemon juice, and mix. Then, mix the flour, sugar and butter very slowly with your fingertips, so that the mass is smooth and crumbly. Put the apples in the baking dish and sprinkle the crumble on top of the apples. Put the pan in the heated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. The crumble is baked when the crumble turns a nice golden color. Then remove the pan from the oven to cool slightly. Serve warm with a scoop of ice cream. We hope you find inspiration and excitement in these recipes that are both healthy and satisfying. If you're hungry for more recipes and exciting food tips, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you will stay connected with us and never miss out on our future culinary adventures. Again, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Happy cooking, take care, and goodbye.